just a little update on the track. Something I'm also doing is I'm replacing this grass. I'm using this grass to replace this stuff that I had bought. Now this stuff was okay because I didn't think I could get anything else. Let me just show you this stuff, because I'm doing this piece next. I thought this was okay because there was nothing, no type of grass available, and I couldn't find what I wanted online. So I bought this stuff. Now this stuff you use for putting underneath floors. I think for wood floors, it softens up, it insulates a little bit. But it's, let me show you, very soft. Very soft, look, you can see a lot of dust. So I decided to replace it when I made a happy discovery of this false grass. I was in a shop in Resignay, which is the town about 100 kilometers from here. Here's the stuff I got. It's perfect. And I got about 8 meters. I think about 8 meters by 1 meter, and it was only 25 or 30 euro. So I'm using my original pieces as templates, and that's it there. It's a good, not a bad size. It's not super realistic, but it'll be perfect for outside. When I decide to build my track outside in the garage, this stuff, because the garage can be damp sometimes during the winters and very cold, this stuff would be great. This stuff, you can see it falling apart. This stuff, I think, because it's so soft, this will fall apart in the damp and the wet in the garage. So I'm so glad I found a shop that actually sells the false grass. Very good, very happy with that. So that's what I'm doing, just updating, always updating the track and improving it and trying to make it a bit nicer looking. So just thought I'd give you a quick, I'll pause this now and I'll show you this piece when it's cut and I'll finish. So here we are, here's this piece fitted. I might use a bit of PVA glue just to glue it down very lightly, or a little bit of hot glue, we'll see. Just tidy up the edges, need to vacuum all these little bits. And it's a nice, what would you call it, lush green colour, nice green colour. Much more attractive looking than the stuff I did have before. So, very happy with that. So once again, just zoom back, general look. It's very green now, but it brightens up the whole thing. Certainly happy with that. Okay, that's a quickie.